Let's be honest, giving up bread on keto is rough. You're doing great, then someone walks by with a sandwich, and suddenly you're questioning your life choices. But don't worry, there are some low-carb bread swaps that actually taste good and keep you in ketosis. Before we jump in, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Okay, first up, almond flour flatbread. This one's a total go-to if you miss actual bread that bends, folds, and even toasts. It's soft, sturdy, and works perfectly for wraps, breakfast burritos, or even mini pizzas. Next, almond flour bread. Now this one feels the closest to real bread. It's dense, nutty, and holds together really well. You can toast it, make grilled cheese, even use it for French toast if you're feeling fancy. And finally, Chaffles. These are waffles made with just eggs and cheese. Sounds weird, I know, but trust me, they're shockingly good. Crispy outside, soft inside. You can make savory ones for sandwiches or sweet ones for dessert. Endless possibilities. So yeah, just because you're doing keto doesn't mean you have to say goodbye to bread forever. Whether you want something fluffy, dense, or crispy, there's a keto swap that'll work for you. Drop it in the comments so we can all try something new. And if you want me to do a follow-up video on keto wraps or tortillas, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.